Here I got Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then locate the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Phoenix. And here just click on edit icon. Then tap on the camera icon right here, and then you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me click on choose photo and just pick the picture that you would like to add to this contact. Then you can crop it, you can personalize it. Let me do it this way. Also you can rotate it if you want to, but I will leave it like this, and then click on done. Finally tap on save, and as you can see from now on, once this contact will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first, so you will be sure who is calling you. And that would be all. This you can smoothly and easily add profile picture to your contact in Motorola Moto G8 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.